Welcome to our design journey. Today, we're diving into the art of transforming your home's first impression, the front door. From classic elegance to modern flair, we've got design and color ideas that'll make your entrance unforgettable. Stick around for full video of inspiration that will have you reimagining your front door and boosting your home's curb appeal. Let's open the door to a world of possibilities. Subscribe and join the design adventure.
Choosing the design and color for your front door can greatly enhance the curb appeal of your home. Here are some ideas to consider. Classic elegance. Design. A traditional paneled door with raised panels and decorative modeling. Color. Deep, rich color like burgundy, navy, or forest green. Modern minimalist. Design. A sleek, simple design with clean lines and minimal embellishments. Color. Neutral tones like black, grey, or white for a contemporary look. Rustic charm. Design. A wooden door with natural grain and texture, possibly with wrought iron accents. Color. Warm, earthy tones like dark brown, terracotta, or weathered grey. Victorian style. Design. Elaborate detailing, stained glass inserts, and ornate hardware. Color. Deep, vibrant hues like royal blue, emerald green, or rich red. Beach cottage. Design. A Dutch door or a door with a coastal-inspired design such as louvered panels. Color. Soft pastels like light blue, seafoam green, or sandy beige. Contemporary pop. Design. A bold geometric design with unique shapes or patterns. Color. Vibrant and unexpected colors like teal, coral, or mustard yellow. Transitional style. Design. A blend of classic and modern elements with clean lines and subtle detailing. Color. Versatile mid-tone colors like slate grey, muted olive, or soft blue grey. Remember to consider the overall style and color scheme of your home with making your choice. Additionally, consider the surrounding landscape and architectural features for a cohesive look. It's also a good idea to test paint swatches or get sample doors to see how they look in different lighting conditions. Hey there, if you are enjoying the content so far, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button below? By subscribing, you shall stay updated with our latest videos and be a part of our awesome community. Join us on this incredible journey. Simply click that subscribe button now and ring the notification bell to never miss an